Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to combine data from multiple worksheets into a single worksheet. So as you can see, we are having a workbook with 4 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, which are having kind of similar data in terms of that they have common names for the column. So that is a must thing, that all the worksheets should have similar structure, similar column names, so that each of them can stack one below another. And if that is there, then all you have to do is just go to a new worksheet where you want to combine all of these worksheets. And once you're there, just go to data and then get power or power query, and then click on get power or power query. Now here, since this was the Excel workbook, so we will click on that and we will locate that file and load that file. So here, this is the file where we want to from where we want to get all these worksheets. So get data and then click on next, and you will see all the worksheets listed over here. So you can also see the preview of all of these worksheets. So sheet 1 has these contents. So we will what we will do is we will just try to click on transform data, and then we will get all of the contents over here. Now what you want to do is we want to remove all of these applied steps. So query records all of the steps that are done. So we are removing all of these, and if you will remove all of these steps, then you will find that that particular workbook contained these worksheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So what we want to do is we want to just keep the sheet name, and we want to keep the data, and we want to delete rest of the columns. So select all of those columns and then click on remove columns. So this wasn't selected correctly, but you can individually remove the columns, or you can just press shift key and start selecting all the columns that are to be deleted, and then delete those columns. And once that is done, you will have just 2 columns: name and data. Name can be very handy, and data. So if you click on this button, then you will find all the columns listed over here, and then click on OK. And here you can see that we have all the data from all the worksheets. Now what you want to do is we want to use the first row as header, because right now it is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 for all the columns. So first of all we have to use this use first row as headers. Now once you will do that, you will find that column names are now updated to the correct column names. So country, region, product, categories, subcategories, product name, salary, etc. So that is perfect. Now what else do we want to fix? Here you can see order name, and because of that even the data type isn't correct. So what we will do is we will just click on the drop down, and then we will just unselect order name. So at that ways we are just cleaning the data. Now all of those headers would be removed, and now we will be left with only the desired data from all the worksheets that we wanted to combine. And once you are happy with the data, then click on close and load, and now it is combining all of the data, and it may take a few seconds to a few minutes as well, depending on how big or how large is the data. Now we can see that we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and we have all the desired data in one single worksheet. So this is how you combine data from multiple worksheets of a workbook into a single worksheet of a new workbook. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.